I'm not gonna hang him.
Keep your barrel pointed up. Thank you, guys.
Slippery right there.
Yeah.
Got it.
All quiet on the range. Okay.
Where's the present?
Careful, I saw a head pop up further down there.
Okay. My grenade. They won't see me.
Where at?
Right there behind that tree. See him? Can you reach him?
I can't get it to hold. That guy?
Yeah. He's loading somebody. Down the flank.
They're flanking that way. Come with me. That's rough. Those are a couple refs. They're refs. Stand down. Stand down. Stand down. They're refs. Come on. Sneak this way. Come on.
It is slippery as hell.
You guys out or?
No.
Just call it draw. There's a guy got injured.
BB got up under his goggles.
There's heavy fighting over on that side. We saw them start. Yeah, we saw them starting to sneak back this way, so we came over to try to find them.
Okay.
Where's our president?
Yeah, where's our friend?
Huh?
What way did the president go, left or right?
He went that way.
That way?
They're dug in over there.
They've got like 4 guys on this side, so
Yeah, there were 4 young
they
guys.
can make the decision if we want to move up or not. And one of them's got a white shirt, so he'd be easy to see.
Our guys are really bad, stuck down.
Okay, so I'm thinking we could
Because
try to
they've got.
flank around the other way, give them some covering fire
Is that
from
the flight that they
behind.
need to get to?
Yeah.
Where we were?
Yeah.
So
We need the president needs to get to that flag you're standing right next to.
I thought it was the middle flag right here. I get so confused with flags.
The actual flag they're supposed to get to is back near their respawn area. So yeah, like right down in there.
Oh, that one down there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's hard.
So we gotta go.
Just go kill the other team.
Yeah.
Just go kill the other team.
Alright.
Because, I mean, if they're pinned down, we're just going to add more guys that are pinned down if we go.
Yep.
Just go over there and kill the other team.
I say we just go straight down this trail and cut them out from behind. But we have to stay slow and quick. Yep.
Right there. 1 o'clock. It's not that firmly or what? That's the guy in the brush right there.
Mmm.